Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to log object. So for example, you can draw rectangle and I will draw a circle. If you want to log these objects, you can create new layer, type layer, press enter and create new layer. I will set the names into log. After it, you can select the object and then go to the properties, change layer into log. The next you can see in layer here, click on drop down menu and then click the log icons to log the object. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial how to log object.